And guys, what's happening? How to add a link to an Instagram bio. So go ahead and open up your Instagram. And then what you're gonna do, go ahead and hit your profile icon at the bottom right. Go press the edit profile on the dashboard. And go to the links under the bio. Add external link. And whether that was your link to your YouTube channel, your website, whatever. I'm gonna enter a random link. Okay. mar.com and add the title for this, right? Let's say portfolio. Excuse me. And then hit done on the top right. Basically, now you're gonna be able to see your profile or your portfolio or your website or your YouTube channel presented as a link under the bio. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.